Is separating your business payments from your personal life as simple as tapping a button? That's what I was hoping for when I set up a Venmo business account for my small side hustle. After using it for a while, I've zeroed in on the top features that actually make a difference for a small operation like mine. The game changer: separate profiles. The number one best feature is having a dedicated business profile. This is a totally separate profile linked to my personal account, but it's what my customers see. Professional look: instead of my personal photo and username, customers see my business name, logo, and a short description. It immediately looks more legitimate than just getting paid via a personal transfer. Privacy: this is huge. All business payments go through this separate profile, keeping my personal Venmo feed and the transactions I make private from my customers and their networks. No more accidental visibility. Getting paid is simple. The whole point is to get paid easily, and Venmo has a couple of features that streamline this. Custom QR code: the business account gives me a unique QR code. I just print it out or show it on my phone at events, and customers can scan it, enter the amount, and pay. No fumbling with card readers or searching for usernames. You can even get a free physical kit with your code when you sign up. Tap to pay: this is a newer feature, and for in-person transactions, it's great. It allows me to accept contactless payments from a customer's phone or card using just my own phone and the Venmo app. No extra hardware needed, which keeps my startup costs at zero. Handling the back end: money and taxes. Finally, for the boring but necessary stuff, the business account offers two crucial professional benefits. Tax documentation: because these payments are processed as business transactions, Venmo handles the formal 1099K tax reporting for me when I hit the IRS threshold. This automatically separates business income from personal payments, making tax time significantly cleaner. Transaction tracking: all my business income is listed clearly on the business profile. While it's not a full accounting system, the separation of funds and the easy-to-read list of payments helps me see exactly how much I've made from the business without wading through all my personal transactions. For a small business owner who just needs a straightforward, low-fee way to accept contactless payments, especially at pop-ups, markets, or for service-based work, these features are the reason the Venmo business account is worthwhile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.